What sets Valorant apart from the other fast-paced, tactical first-person shooters are its agents. Though their abilities are secondary to your personal skills at online gunplay, they may just give you the edge that you need to bring your team to victory. While you might gravitate towards one or two agents as your go-to choice, you may want to unlock and level all the characters available. If you're looking to round out your roster or you're just starting out, here's what you need to know. At the time of recording, there are a total of 16 agents available. 5 of those agents, Brimstone, Jet, Phoenix, Sage, and Sova, are immediately available for you to play. To unlock the other 11, you'll need to select the character that you want to unlock and activate their contract. Only one can be active at a time. Each contract has 5 tiers, with the 5th tier unlocking the agent themselves for you to play in-game. For more details, you can view their contract from the character screen. From here, you've got 2 options. If you're an avid gamer and enjoy a challenge, you can opt to unlock your character with experience you earn while playing the game. With a contract active, all the XP you earn by playing goes to it. To reach level 5 in a contract, you'll need to earn 200,000 XP. You can earn this by completing both daily and weekly missions, seen at the top left while playing matches. The fastest way to gain XP would be to play Spike Rush matches while completing your daily and weekly missions. In general, so long as you manage to finish your daily and weekly missions while you're playing matches, you'll grind out the EXP you need in no time. Now, if you don't have as much time, or have the points to spare, you can opt to unlock the character with Valorant points you pay for in cash. Each tier costs 200 points to unlock, amounting to 1,000 points to unlock the character in full. Even if you've already unlocked 1 or 2 tiers in a contract, you can opt to unlock the rest through your Valorant points. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Valorant and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of the videos we think you might enjoy.